everyone, welcome to my channel Speak English with Almeen. The theme of today's video is not so serious romance. Now, no offense to anyone, but today we'll learn 8 English expressions and phrases which are centered around this theme. Not only will these expressions help you to expand your vocabulary, but also it will spice up your conversation and you will sound more interesting. So let's get started. At number 1, we have a fling. A fling is a casual romantic relationship for a short period of time. For example, I had a few flings in the past but never had a serious romantic relationship. Another example is they are no longer a couple. They had a fling last year. Cupboard love. Cupboard love is love shown by someone in order to get what they want. It is not real love, but there is a selfish motive behind that love. For example, Alia's love for that rich man is cupboard love. All she wants is his money. Another example is the love between Liz and Robbie is really cupboard love. Let's see how long does it work. An old flame. This is an interesting one. Let me know if you have heard of this expression before in the comments down below. An old flame is someone with whom you had a romantic relationship in the past. So your ex-boyfriend or girlfriend is an old flame for you now. For example, Mary went out with an old flame. I met an old flame in the supermarket yesterday. To be taken. To be taken means to be in a relationship with someone. For example, are you single or taken? Mary refused to go out on a date with her neighbor because she's already taken. Puppy love. Puppy love is a romantic relationship between young people like teenagers. It is considered as temporary attraction and not real love. For example, John is too young to understand real love. What he feels for that girl is puppy love. The puppy love between Jane and Jerry is so adorable. Walk out on someone. To walk out on someone means to leave your romantic partner suddenly. For example, Jeff walked out on Tiffany just 2 days before the wedding. Julia is heartbroken because her boyfriend walked out on her. To hit on someone means to flirt with someone. However, there is a difference between flirting and hitting on someone. Flirting is more playful and indirect and subtle. However, hitting on someone is flirting desperately, maybe by passing indecent comments or making sexual advancements. Hitting on someone can be considered as annoying or impolite. For example, who is that man in white shirt? I saw him hitting on Jane last night. Robert was hitting on every girl in the party. Pickup lines. Pickup lines are phrases or lines that people use for flirting. These are often humorous and silly. You must have heard celebrities talking about their favorite pickup lines in the various talk shows. Let's check out a few pickup lines just for fun. Are you tired? Because you're running in my mind. Do you live in a museum? Because you are truly a great work of art. If I and you were socks, we would make a great pair. Was this an earthquake? Or you just rocked my mind? Hope you enjoyed the pickup lines. Obviously, these are not my own. I have picked these from other sources. Anyways, that's all that I have for you today. If you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Thank you.